Hello everyone, my name is Ben at TV Parts Today. In today's video, we're going to briefly be going over the issue of lines on your television screen. So the first step here is to determine the orientation of the lines. If we are seeing horizontal lines, that is running from left to right, then unfortunately this means that there is damage to the panel, and in most cases these repairs are not cost effective. If we are seeing vertical lines, that is running top to bottom, then we can start looking at the various components in the television as the culprit. If we have vertical lines on our television screen, then the first part that we would want to try and swap out is the T-con board. If we swap out this T-con board and these vertical lines still persist, then we would want to try the main board. It is important to note here that there are some issues with the panel, mainly panel damage, that can present itself very similarly to an issue with the T-con board. So if your television has taken a spill or has been jostled, fallen over, or taken a sharp bump recently, then there could be actual panel damage that could represent itself as hair-thin vertical lines on your television screen. If you are needing a replacement part to fix the vertical lines on your television screen, then head over to www.tvpartstoday.com. We here at TV Parts Today house thousands of T-con and main boards for almost every brand and model of television. If you were having issues determining what is causing the vertical lines on your television screen, then you can send us an email to info@tvpartstoday.com with a clear picture of your TV screen, and we will be more than happy to help you out. If you have any questions about this or any other TV repair, you can give us a call at 930-212-1975. That is going to do it for today's video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.